going on, everybody? Welcome to the first ever installment of the vlogs. I don't know what we're gonna call it, but we're gonna give the show a name eventually. But yeah, today we're doing is we're installing a brand new mod to the car. I mean, we're gonna do a first little shindig on YouTube, but yeah. Yeah, guys, so this is my BMW F30. It's a 335i. It's black. It also has black interior. It's kind of dirty right now, I'm not gonna lie. It's got black interior. It's got the M Sport package. You know, it's got faded mirror caps. I did put M pars on them just because I messed up my old rims. I did want to get 18s on there. I used to have 19s on there, but yeah, you know, it's a sick car. We ended up getting or picking up was the smoked out GTS taillights for the F30. I love these taillights, but they really they don't do it for me. You know, I like the LCI taillights. It was cool. I was gonna get like the blacked out version of those, but I just wanted to spend a little bit extra money and just be really satisfied, because I mean, with the black car especially, it'll look nice. So hopefully it'll be easy installation. It's just a couple of screws. I might show you a little bit of that process, but what we're gonna do right now, I got these mirror caps a really long time ago. So they're like fake carbon fiber. I don't know, at the time it's just what I liked, carbon fiber. But they're all peeling and shit, so I'm just gonna put the black ones on. Real easy, got them on Amazon, so just exchange them. It should look nice, so we're gonna do that right now. So, get that out of here. Put this one on, should look real nice. That looks way better now. I mean, obviously the BMW paint's not gonna match the plastic paint 100%, but I think it looks real nice compared to the faded carbon fiber. So
you see,
yeah.
What is it?
It's like all faded, degraded. It looks all musty, you know what I mean? So
just like my screw.
Yeah.
All right, so
we'll get this one going too. But yeah, I'm really excited for channel. I don't know how often I'm gonna upload, to be honest. Just like a cool hobby right now, you know. Not something I'm gonna take too seriously. I mean, it's just a little hobby right now, so we'll see where it goes. Hopefully I could get something going weekly, bi-weekly. I don't know, something cool to do. But yeah, definitely. The next thing I gotta do for sure, which I probably should have done before I did the taillights, is tint the windows. For some reason, I never got them tinted. It's been super hot lately, so I think I'm gonna try and go get some ceramic tint. So hopefully next video, we'll get some tint.
remember, we are not professionals, so if you want to try this at home.
Yeah, don't. Well,
I mean, try it.
If you want to save some money from the mechanic, yeah, you can try it at home, but just do it by myself, you know. I got the tools, so I'm not a little bitch. So, dude, I can't wait to see how this is gonna look though. Like, this is cool to put on, but like for like brakes and shit like that, I fucking hate doing brake pads and the calipers. So I would rather just pay for somebody to do that, you know what I mean? Like, I need to do my front brakes and the brake pads or whatever, but I got the whole blacked out rotors, brake pads and everything. I just been lagging on, because that's like to do all four of them, that's like a day job or like a 2-day job, you know what I mean? So yeah, I think I might just end up paying someone to do it. After this, I just gotta take this off and just pop the headlight out and then tighten them in, and that's basically it. Just plug them all in. It's It should be real easy, but I do need to get, the only thing that's annoying is that it has a T25 right here. And if you don't have the European tools, that could be a pain in the ass, but we got a whole tray of them, so we'll see what's up. Hopefully it fits. Yeah, see, it's too big. I think the T25 I did have, I lost it. So we're gonna have to get a smaller one or try and do it with the flathead. So, oh, it fits. Thank God. Yeah, it came out. Cool. Sometimes you just gotta use a little manpower. Push down on the tab, pull it out. This is the old tail light. Fuck it. I'm gonna just wipe it down so it sticks better. Now that's plugged in, we got power. And you wanna add power.
I think that's the other.
Yeah, this is the wrong one.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I was like, wait.
I was thinking about it for a second too. Now for the moment of truth, plug it in. Shit, I'm so excited to see how these taillights look. Been wanting these taillights for years. There we go. Yeah, I mean after like a freaking hour, we finally got them in, but it's because there's like a little tab right here. It's just taking forever, but just unscrew this tab. Damn, it's already loose. Push out, push it like that. Then it's just this one tab right here. Push it down and pull it out. That one's way easier to do than this, to be honest. Make sure it's nice and clean so it's a good fit. Go.
Try it again.
There we go.
And the final results are, oh, almost there.
A little close?
Yeah. Whoa.
God damn.
That looks sick, bro.
Drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, but she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a bitch. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck.
Oh shit! Yeah, we're vlogging right now, big dog. Man, that shit's fast.
And it matches wrist, now it's like sick. Told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go.
Oh wait, hold up. Hold up. Gotta make sure you smoke it. We're going now. Alright, let's go now.
I was like, cause that go to yelling, now what's cracking? I'm like, what?